Hello everyone, I'm Avni Jadeja from the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Today I'm going to talk about sight words and how to teach them to your child. What are sight words? Sight words are common English words that have to simply be memorized. Children at this age are learning to read, and sight words are words that should be memorized to help a child learn to read and write. Learning sight words allows a child to recognize these words at a glance on sight without needing to break these words down into the individual letters. And this is the way strong readers recognize most words. I'm going to show you some techniques that you can use to teach children sight words. The most basic way to teach a new word is to have them repeat the word several times. The first technique is called the see and say. Let me show you how it's done. Let's learn a new word. The. What word is it? The. Okay, it's your turn now. Say it with me. The. Again. The. One more time. The. Good job. The next technique is called spell and read. This helps the child to recognize and remember the new word. Let me show you how it's done. Let's spell and read this word. The. T-H-E. The. The. T-H-E. The. It's your turn now. Say it with me. The. T-H-E. The. Again. The. T-H-E. The. One last time. The. T-H-E. The. Now you can ask your child to write this word twice in their notebook while they read it aloud. Once the child is familiar with one word, you can go on to the next word. For teaching sight words, I would suggest you to make small flashcards for each word you wish to teach. Flashcards are a very easy and effective way to teach new words and can also be used in various activities. Now I'm going to show you some fun and easy ways to practice sight words at home. Once your child is familiar with a few sight words, you can go ahead and do these activities with them. The first activity is called Match the Word. For this, you're going to use a sheet of paper like the one shown here with blank boxes on it. What you can do is write down one sight word in each of the boxes. Here there are sentences written, but you can write only the sight words. Let the child first read and review each sight word written on the paper. Now you can either use flashcards with matching words, or you can write down the matching words on small paper cards or sticky notes. Ask the child to pick one card and read it aloud. Then they will go ahead and match the card with the sight word on the paper and put the card right over that box. In this way, they can match each of the cards one by one. The next activity is called the look, cover, make and say. This is a replication activity where the child has to replicate the letters using the look, cover, make and say method. For this activity, you can either use flashcards or you can write down the sight words on simple colored paper cards. You will also need another set of cards with different letters written on them. Basically, the child looks at the words, reads it 2 to 3 times and flips it over to cover it. And now the child has to replicate the word by picking the letters and arranging them in the correct order. Then the child goes back and checks if it is correct. Similarly, they can do the same for the rest of the sight words. I hope you and your child enjoy these sight word activities as they are very easy and you can choose whatever sight words you're working on.